Okay, I'm busting my booty to finish up on this rascal right here. I've got it pretty well finished. What I did down here is put a stop. Just took an old piece of metal, slid that in it. There you go. I took and filed all these down. Everything's cool. Now, I'm in the process of making a chute to go, a feed, to go from here down into here. And that will feed your compost into the mixer, the sifter. So that's what I'm doing right now. I took the bottom off this. I come here and I made my mark all the way around. It's kind of hard to see in here. I made my mark and I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it with my little play toy here. Now, I don't cut it while I'm filming because it makes too much noise. Plus, I got a fan blowing the waste plastic away from me so I don't breathe it. Okay. Now, I made my last cut. The bottom's off. The only use I could find for this would be set a flower pot in it with contain water. I don't like to waste anything. I salvage. Now, I got this cut. That's all I did. So now I'm gonna lay it out, make my mark, and cut this where I can open it up. All right, this is what the feed looks like when you finish with it. I nailed a little piece down there, put 2 little screws down in there. This rides loose. It's not hooked. But when you turn, you dump your product right in there. And the reason it works, if you look, this is all set way to the back. You got room here. A lot of people will install that right here on the edge, and you can't get your feed bucket, your feed chute in there. So there it is, people. Made out of scrap, ready to go.